Monday. We have never looked forward to Monday as much as now. Having filled our bellies with Jaman, we set out on our way.
We leave Bilbao. The road to Santander awaits us ahead.
Oh, what do I see? They burn associated gas. This is an oil refinery, Petronor. From an ecological point of view, it's disgusting.
When burning static petroleum gas, significant amount of carbon dioxide and methane, which are greenhouse gases, are released into the air, as well as soot, nitrogen oxide, benzopyrene, hydrogen sulfide, and other environmental gas components. But the question is, what to do with associated petroleum gas?
In oil fields, gas can be pumped back into the reservoir to increase reservoir pressure.
But this method isn't ideal. It can lead to degradation in the hydrodynamics of the deposit, and with further production the gas will still return.
What other options could there be?
Use in thermal power plants. It is a great idea, but associated petroleum gas differs in composition from natural gas and requires additional pretreatment. Also, this method doesn't solve environmental problems by itself, but taking into account the use of purification systems, the harm is less than with direct combustion.
It's also possible to produce liquefied petroleum gas and liquid petroleum products from associated petroleum gas.
It's more attractive from economic point of view, but more difficult and requires the use of special technologies and equipment.
Despite all the difficulties, the general vector is aimed at reducing the combustion associated gas and reducing the negative impact on the environment.
I hope the management of this plant will reconsider its production process in favor to respecting the environment in this wonderful, beautiful place.
We have just crossed the border of Biscay and Cantabria provinces.
The Canteras de Santian quarry is visible ahead. There is a track to the top, but we are not going there today.
Short stop. Natural island pools Piscinas Naturales Islares.
The beach Playa de Arenas, with beginner surfers swinging on the waves. Nice place next to the high rock Pica Islares.
We drive past the large sandy beach Playa de Oriñón. Another observation deck, Mirador de Punta Pilota.
Here from the high rocky shore you can enjoy an incredible view of the ocean, beach and the cliff opposite, Punta Las Presas. Breathtaking. It seems to be the best thing we have seen so far during our stay in Spain. It even seemed to us that we wouldn't see anything bad anymore. But looking ahead, Spain didn't stop surprising us further. We liked it so much that we decided to go down to the beach. Place that shouldn't be talked about once again is the beach Playa de Sanabria.
Very picturesque. Ocean, rocks, quite high waves, which are very exciting to jump in. There is no beach infrastructure here, which in our opinion is a big plus.
And one more nuance, you can meet tourists here, although there is no mark about it on the Google Maps. Against the background of incredible nature waves away from the city infrastructure, it may seem that you are traveling in a time machine to the past, and there are primitive people all around.
We were stuck here for a long time, got out of shadow and really did not want to leave, but it's time to go.
Another beautiful place is Mirador de San Julián.
High rocky coast, beautiful.
Below there is a small beach, Playa de San Julián. In the distance you can see the same rock Punta Las Presas, but from the other side.
No doubt, it would be great to swim here too.
But there is no time anymore. Returned to the parking lot, we met a flyer who was catching air currents crashing against a rock. Then the road goes along the highway without any special stops.
See you soon at Santander.